Sexual response cycle consists of 4 phases. First is arousal phase or excitement phase. Second is plateau phase. Third is orgasm phase. And fourth is resolution phase. Arousal phase starts with desire, and it biologically is increased testosterone level and increased dopamine level. Main still is dopamine level. Dopamine level increases, it causes excitement. Also, norepinephrine or adrenaline level is increased, and it causes increased heart rate, increased blood pressure, and testosterone start to raise also. Testosterone is responsible on desire, sexual function, and libido. Testosterone increases in plateau phase also. During plateau phase, 2 other important players also come. That's serotonin level. Serotonin level causes longer phase, and it keeps from ejaculation. And oxytocin level. Oxytocin is responsible on bonding and attachment. Also, vasopressin plays important role. Third phase, orgasm phase, is shortest, and here we have very interesting picture. Testosterone level peaks. Testosterone level during whole this cycle is increased around 10 to 50%, but at this pace its level is peaked. Also in the brain, prolactin level increased, oxytocin level increased, dopamine level and endorphins are increased. Prolactin causes satisfaction. Oxytocin causes sense of pleasure and happiness and bonding. Dopamine also peaks, which causes pleasure also, and endorphins they causing also pleasure and pain relief. After this, resolution phase occurs, and during resolution phase everything returns to basal level. Basal or normal level. Testosterone, norepinephrine, dopamine, oxytocin, everything returns to normal level. And here we have interesting heart rate increase. Heart rate can be increased during plateau phase, even 20 beats per minute. For example, if normal heart rate for person is 70, it can increase up to 90 or 100. And during third phase or organ phase, it can increase up to 120. And after this, it slowly returns to normal level. So heart rate and blood pressure increase is very prominent. That's why it increases risk of heart attacks 2.7 times compared to normal resting conditions. But absolute risk of heart attack and stroke is not high because of this cycle, so we can ignore it. Also, there is lots of myth that ejaculation causes reduced immune response, or it causes weakness, or it causes erectile dysfunction and such thing. It's myths. It's not confirmed by researches. Only important thing which you can consider is zinc level, because during ejaculation man loses around 20% of daily requirement of zinc, and if person gets less zinc than he needs, and chronically it loses much more zinc, and during ejaculation it can have zinc deficiency and decreased immune response, decreased healing. It can cause also slow growth in children. So it's not common problem, but we can still focus and make point about it. Other things usually not problem. Other minerals and vitamins lose usually very small, so we can ignore them, but zinc is important. So most myths about ejaculation and frequent ejaculation is not correct, including it can reduce immune response, it can cause different types of dysfunction, it can cause decreased physical performance. That's mostly they are myth and are not confirmed by scientific studies. Thank you very much. Thank you for your interest. If you like my videos, please thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.